Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget Benny 5 on checkout. This week we're down here at Berrima Cars and Coffee again. Gonna have a bit of a look around. We brought the Pajero Mini out to have a cruise in at as well. Should be plenty of cars to check out. We're gonna chat to some people. Let's do it. So I've been wandering around this morning and caught up with good mate Gareth here. He's got his 73 Nova down here. You've had it for a little while, right?
Yeah, I've had it for a little while. Got it from a bloke up in Queensland. He bought it. The gearbox blew for him, unfortunately. Then he ended up spending a bit of money on it. So there's a little Vortex supercharger on it. It's running a brand new TH400. Brand new tail shaft, Moog suspension, and a little Caltrax down here, so
yeah, nice.
It's a good little goer. Probably just needs one last thing, which is probably a true track diff.
Yeah, the single pegger at the moment.
Single pegger.
Yeah,
tried
nice.
it this morning.
Now you were saying before that you actually tried to buy this car a while ago and it pretty much lasted 8 hours on Marketplace.
That's right. So I contacted Ross, the owner, and in negotiations with the wife, after getting off the phone to Ross, the owner, it had sold.
Yeah,
so with a half-hour period. So I went up to Queensland, did the gearbox, and then I ended up buying it off the young bloke that bought it. He had XTs and Fords and all that stuff, and this was just his daily, actually.
Yeah, right.
So he wanted it reliable, and it's got EFI on it as well. So
yeah, nice. No,
just turns straight on, and it's got a really loud fuel pump.
No, that's handy. So this thing's not exactly standard body wise either, so it's a 73 body, but aesthetically it's a 70, right?
Exactly, yeah. So the front quarters allowed for it, so it was literally just pretty much a straight swap. So from the 73 to the 70 is obviously the more preferable shape, I think, with most people.
It doesn't have like the 5 mile/an-hour bars and all that sort of deal. It's a bit more of a classic styling.
That's right, yeah, and it's sort of, you know, so ugly, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, no, it's really cool, man. I like it. I like the original paint, and It looks like it's been pretty well loved. Like it was originally owned by an old lady, right? It was literally the one lady owner car before it came over to Australia,
That's
correct?
right. So Banning in California, an old lady bought it with her husband. He died probably 5 years prior to her selling it. She wanted to keep it. She got into the point where she needed to go into a home and sold it to Ross, the owner who brought it in.
Yeah, cool.
He lived 6 months out of the year in America. He had this for 8 years.
Wow.
And then he finally gave it up because he's got, 57 drag cars and street cars and all sorts of stuff. So
yeah, nice.
he let this go to the guy in Queensland, and then I've got it.
Yeah, cool.
So,
oh, well, thanks for the chat, mate.
no
Appreciate
worries,
it. See you around.
And it's for sale.
It's for sale. If you want it, we'll get you in contact with Gareth if you want to buy it, if it's still available by the time the video comes out. We've been wandering around. We just found Nick here with this 1976 260Z, and one thing that stood out to me is you're on your red Ps.
Yeah.
So tell me a bit about this car.
My dad bought it in about 2015.
Yeah, cool.
As pretty much a rusty wreck.
So you guys
And-
didn't get it like this?
No, not at all.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we spent a while getting it restored.
So is it original colour?
It is an original colour. It was originally
It's not the original.
Yeah, okay,
There
so
you
this is the original, an original colour from the era, but not the original colour for this car.
go. There you go.
Yeah, cool. I mean, it looks like a really nice resto. Obviously,
Yeah.
a little bit different styling, in the chrome's all blacked out though.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So,
Yeah.
so was there any
Nice
reason
little
behind
touch.
blacking the chrome out, or?
Just looks better.
Yeah, nice.
prefer it.
Yeah, I actually like it. I've never
Yeah.
seen one that's been blacked out like this, but it looks really nice, and
Yeah.
especially like around the windows.
Around the
and
windows, the mirrors, the door
yeah, everything
handles.
just seems to tie together really nicely.
Yeah.
But yeah, beautiful car, mate. Thanks for bringing it out.
No worries.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, mate.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Likewise.
Well, that wraps us up for another episode. Want to say a massive thank you to the people that took time to have a chat to us today about their cars. And also thanks to everyone out that came out today for Cars and Coffee. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.